Get back from that ledge, my friend. You could cut ties from all the lies you've been living in. And if you do not want to see me again, I would understand. I would understand. Angry boy, a bit too insane. I sing over a secret pain. I'm sorry.